All right, so let's factor this. So this is -8, and I need a -2, so -4 and 2. So s minus 4 and an s plus 2. And then this is 8 here and a 9 there. All right, so then 8 and 1. So a 2x plus, oh, just kidding. I don't know what I'm doing. X plus 8 over 2 and an x plus 1 over 2. So then I get an x plus 4 and a 2x plus 1. Okay, I think my kid is snoring behind me. 2x plus, oh my gosh, I cannot do this. 2x plus 1. Okay, and then minus, so then m cubed minus 8. So then this is a negative n minus 2, m squared plus 2m plus 4. And then this factors to a difference of squares, so this would be 4a squared minus b squared. And then a 4a squared plus b squared. And then this is, so this is 2a minus b, 2a plus b, and a 4a squared plus b squared. Okay. And then t to the 4th and a 4. An 8. An 8's better. Yeah, an 8's better. So then this gives me a 3p and a plus 2t to the 3rd. And then here, xy, so I'm left with an x minus y, and a plus 2, so I'm left with an x minus y, so I'm left with an x minus y, and an xy plus 2. And then eeks. Factor out a 5, and I'm left with a 25x squared plus 9y squared, and that does not factor to a difference of squares because it is a positive, not a negative. And then 18 and -9, so -6 and -3. So a minus 6 over 18 and a minus 3 over 18. So then a minus 1/3, a minus 1/6. So then 3a minus 1 and 6a minus 1. And then I can factor out a 2, and I'm left with an m cubed and a plus 27. So m plus 3, m squared minus 3m plus 9. And then factor out a 3a cubed, and I'm left with an 8a minus 3. And then here an m squared and a 3. So then I'm left with a 5m squared plus 2n. And then here I can factor out an m. I'm left with a 4 minus n and a -3. And I'm left with an n minus 4. So let's factor out a negative m. And then I'm left with an m. Nope. I'm left with an n minus 4 and a -3 and an n minus 4. So then I have an n minus 4 and a negative m minus 3. And then here's the difference of squares. So 7a minus 12 and 7a plus 12. And then here, so 35 on the top, 12 on the bottom. So 5 and 7. So that's an x plus 5y and an x plus 7y. And then this is a difference of cubes, so 4x minus 3. Oh my gosh. And then 16x squared plus 12x plus 9. And then this factors to a difference of squares, so 9c squared minus 4d squared. And a 9c squared plus 4d squared. And then this first one factors more. So this is a 3c minus, 2d, 3c plus 2d, and a 9c squared plus 4d squared. Okay. And then 6, and I'm left with a 4x minus 7. And then factor by grouping, so I have a 4x, I have an x minus 4 plus 3, and I have an x minus 4. So then I have an x minus 4 and a 4x plus 3. And then 1 minus 4s, 1 plus 4s. And then here, negative 21 and 4. So negative 7 and a positive 3. So an a minus 7b and an a plus 3b. And then 15 and 8 is 120 on the top. 2, so then that's a 12 and a 10, and I want that to be negative. So then I have a p plus 12 over 15. P minus 10 over 15. So I have a p plus 6 over 5. And I have a p minus 2 over 3. So then I have a 5p plus 6 and a 3p minus 2. And then here, this factors to y minus 7 and a y minus 4. And then here, we are randomly finding the difference. I guess it's always good to keep up my adding and subtracting here. So then I have a 70 minus